The morning sun streams into the cozy playroom, illuminating tiny dust motes that dance in the golden air.
It is a peaceful, perfect start to a day of discovery. Noah kneels on the soft rug, his bright yellow t-shirt standing out against the warm wooden shelves. With steady hands and a focused mind, he carefully balances a fifth block atop his growing tower. Beside him, his loyal friend Sunny sits watching,
His tail thumping rhythmically against the floor. Noah beams with joy, his blue eyes wide with pride, as he admires his architectural masterpiece. He feels like a master builder in his own little world.
Noah scans his creation, his mind whirling with new ideas. He spots a toy car resting nearby and decides to make a change. He reaches out, his fingers gently plucking 2 blocks from the very base of his tower. The structure wobbles dangerously, tilting left and right, but then it holds steady. The Think Sprout guide speaks softly. Now, I wonder.
How many blocks are left? Noah leans in, his brow furrowed in deep concentration as he processes the question.
He extends his index finger, tapping each remaining block with precision.
1, 2, 3, he whispers to himself.
A brilliant grin breaks across his face as he turns to Sunny, who responds with a quick, happy bark of approval.
The narrator explains that taking those blocks away shows us the magic of subtraction. It is time for a new challenge. Noah gathers 5 colorful toy cars, lining them up in a perfect, straight row on the floor. He looks at them, counting them silently first. Then, he pushes 2 cars across the smooth wood, watching them glide away.
Sunny cannot resist the fun. He pounces with his ears flapping wildly, nudging the cars back toward Noah with his wet nose. Noah laughs loudly, his entire face lighting up with pure delight.
He returns to the remaining line, counting them one by one to see what changed. 1, 2, 3, he says clearly.
He looks directly at the camera, his expression bright and confident. Now it is your turn, he suggests. Why do not you try this with your own favorite toys at home?
Noah sits back on his heels, resting his hand gently on Sunny's soft, warm head. The room remains filled with the golden glow of the morning sun,
creating a sense of accomplishment and peace. The Think Sprout guide concludes with a smile in her voice. Fantastic work, Sprouts! Today you discovered that subtraction means taking some away to find out how many are left.
It is a simple idea that opens up a whole new world of numbers.
You did a wonderful job observing and counting along with Noah. Keep thinking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep growing. Sprouts, we will see you next time for another big adventure in our small playroom.